guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. We are back. We hope everyone out there is staying safe during these times right now. We are all social distancing and wearing our masks, as you can see. And we are ready to do another recipe for you. Krystal had lost a bet, so she is using cheddar cheese soup and came up with a recipe called Mega Mac and Cheese.
And Renee will be taking this recipe home to her family.
Yep.
Because I don't eat mac and cheese. So, let's get started. So, Birgit, if you would please take half of that mac and cheese and put it on the bottom of the casserole dish.
Yeah, I will.
Thank you very much. Just half for right now.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
The color from the macaroni looks yummy.
Yes. As you can see, we're not worried about calories today. We're really not.
So I think this is a half.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you would take the first can of cheddar cheese soup and spread it all, the whole can,
Yeah.
and just spread it all, the whole can.
Okay.
Looks good, doesn't it, Renee?
It does. I'm excited to try this.
Yes, and she'll be taking this home because I don't eat macaroni and cheese. I don't know if you guys know that, but I don't do macaroni and cheese, period.
Okay, Krystal.
Alright, now we're going to take half of the chicken and put that on.
Okay.
Looking good. What kind of seasonings are on that chicken?
It's pepper and salt.
Pepper and salt.
Yep. Birgit did the chicken and the macaroni and cheese.
Yeah,
for
it
Lisa.
looks good.
So thank you very much, Birgit.
You're welcome. Okay, Krystal.
Now, we're going to take the rest of the macaroni and cheese, all the yummy, yummy rest of them,
Okay.
all the yummy, yummy good stuff. Well, not yummy for me, but Renee's going to love it. Like I said before, I don't do macaroni and cheese.
I don't think you really do pasta too much, do you?
I don't do pasta, period, hon. I really don't. We'll be right back after we get the rest of the pasta out of here. Okay, now we're going to take the rest of that chicken, all that pepper and salted chicken, the rest of it, and we're going to put it on.
Looks good.
Now we have one more can of soup left, or?
Yes.
Yes.
One and the bacon. Sure.
Yes. Now, we're going to take that last can of soup
Yes.
and we're going to put all that yummy cheddar cheese goodness on. And we'll be right back. Now we're ready for the best part, the bacon bits, which Birgit brought from her house. Thanks, Birgit.
You're welcome.
Okay, now we're going to put all those bacon bits on. Yummy, yummy bacon bits.
Oh yeah, I love it too. And smelled good.
All of
You
that.
said all of them, yeah?
Oh, yes.
Oh, that looks so good. Can't wait to try this.
You think your family will like it?
Yes, I do.
Oh, that's a good portion of bacon.
Ooh.
Okay.
I think this is looking really good. It's easy to put together for a weeknight meal. The kids will love it.
Oh yes,
And we're gonna
if you
love
have
it.
picky kids,
Yep, definitely.
and this is a no vegetable meal, so
Yep,
you know kids are gonna love that.
yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna put this in the oven for 25 minutes, 15 with the lid on and 10 with the lid off
What temperature?
at 375. And like we said, 25 minutes, 15 with the lid on, 10 with the lid off. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.